Today, I'll be building my custom GK87 Skyloong TKL keyboard. This is my second custom build, and this is a more budget-orientated setup for my new job in a video production company. To begin with, I'll be modifying the Gateron Milky Yellow linear switches using Krytox 205 Grade 0 and switch film. With the switches now all modified and completed, it's time to take a look at these stabilizers. And in this case, to keep in line with the budget builds, I've stuck with the stock stabilizers here and simply clipping the ends and applying some Krytox 205 Grade 0 to all the elements within the stabilizer. The next step is to apply the Tempest tape mod to the PCB and to place some packing foam which came with the keyboard into the case to help with the acoustics. With the PCB now back in place, I applied the Band-Aid mod to further help with the acoustics and feel of the stabilizers. I also found some cheap foam which happened to fit very nicely in between the PCB and the plate of the keyboard. With the plate all screwed back into place, it's time to place the switches into the PCB, and this PCB has some RGB, so I thought to showcase that as well. With my previous keyboard build, I had these Japanese white PBT keycaps, and they have since been replaced on the keyboard, so to keep in line with the budget again, these will now be going on to this TKL build. And with the final keycaps being placed onto the switches, the build is now complete and it's time for the sound test.